lots of new drops happening at the Dior Beauty website right now, and we also have this new pouch. Before you go ahead and use the promo code to get this pouch, you have to watch this. Make sure that it is up to your expectation. I have the size details for you. So let's get started right away. If you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel I help you maximize your Dior Beauty shopping experience. So if you love Dior Beauty, make sure to subscribe and tell all your friends, tell all your girlies, because you don't want to miss any of those Dior deals, and it would be great if they could enjoy the same perks. Alrighty, like I've said, new drops happening right now, back to back actually. So just this morning we have the 2 primers and also the setting powder. So the 2 primers are supposed to be 4-in-1. They are skincare primer, help your makeup last for up to 24 hours, and also SPF 20. So each primer, this is in US dollars, $54, and there are 2 options. So we have the Dior Forever Skin Veil, and also we have the Dior Forever Velvet Veil. I really don't know why they have to make 2 of these, but I am not in a hurry to purchase any of these primers because I still have this, and it doesn't look like these are limited edition, and so we have time. You know, if you still have primers, you don't need to be in a hurry. You can try this next time. Next is the setting powder. Now the setting powder in the website used to have like 1 or 2 colors. Now there's 5 colors available. I'm actually very intrigued. I might get one of these, probably the medium one. I have this actually that I got from the Taiwan airport, and this is lavender. I'm surprised we don't have this here. So I feel like they have to have this color as well, because I think lavender is more universal really. It blends really nicely regardless of your skin tone. So yeah, I'm hoping that maybe in the future they'll come up with new colors, but right now there are 5 options. Hopefully there's one for every skin tone, and this one's supposed to be also include some skincare and waterproof. So I am curious about that claim, and for that reason I might try it very soon. And also available in the US right now as I film this video. Right now it's almost 11 p.m. I say that because I want to make sure I am able to order those new drops, because I really want to include them in my next giveaway. So stay tuned for my unboxing. It might take a while because I ordered in the US, so it will take a little bit to be shipped here in Canada, but at least there's something to look forward. So I was able to place my order. That's awesome. Here in Canada, the whole set actually is available to purchase right now. So I will have the link below. I really want to purchase a couple of things here in Canada as well, so I could, you know, share them with you, review them, see what's up. So stay tuned. I will appreciate it so much if you could please use my link. You could see it here in the video, and also I will add links in the description and also in the first comment below. So every qualified purchase help this channel to survive. I will earn a little commission for every qualified purchases. So if you want to help this girly to continue provide the latest Dior promotions and promo codes and updates, I will appreciate it so much if you could use my affiliate link and also shop here on YouTube. I am very curious. Let me know what you think about this new drop. I want to see in the comments below, what are you buying? What do you want me to try on for you before you purchase? If it's available in Canada, I will do my best to purchase them and do a swatch for you, so you could make a better decision for your next Dior Beauty shopping. Okay, I was talking about the pouch, the pink pouch. It is not available in Canada, bummer, but it is available in the UK, Europe, and also in the US. So let's start with Europe. Europe, minimum purchase of full-size Miss Dior fragrance, which is the 50 ml. You will receive the pink pouch automatically in your cart without any promo code. So the dimension for this pouch is 3.5 by 3.1. So this is tiny, like a wallet size, maybe card size, card case size. But actually, I find it more useful for me if that's the actual size, because like I've said, I could use it as a wallet, maybe a wristlet, just need to add like, you know, a wrist chain, and it will fit most of my purses because I use small purses. So I'm actually happy about the size. So I don't know about you if you're expecting bigger. I would also love if it would be a little bigger, like a clutch size. That would be awesome. But for me, the small size is also useful. So I'm looking forward to getting this. So again, in the UK, no minimum price, but a minimum requirement of at least 50 ml Dior fragrance, Miss Dior fragrance. Now in Europe, minimum purchase 200 euros. Promo code is Miss Dior, and you will get the pink pouch. Now 200 euros of Miss Dior product. It is very specific. Same in the US. In the US, 200 worth of Miss Dior product. I am hoping that this will become available again in the future in a better purchase requirement. Maybe no Miss Dior restriction. Hopefully, maybe in Macy's or Nordstrom, this will become available with a better purchase requirement. Now let's go back to Canada. I'm actually very disappointed. There's no any new promo codes, and a lot of the good ones are no longer working. These are the promo codes you can use right now in Canada. First one is summer travel. Minimum purchase 175 Canadian dollars, and you will get the Jador sample set. Not my favorite, but it's there if anyone wants it or need it. Next one is on the go 26, minimum purchase 175 Canadian dollars, and you'll get the Jador mirror and also a deluxe sample of a lipstick, Dior lipstick. Next, 175 Canadian dollars minimum purchase. Promo code is Dior Forever 26, and you'll get the phone light. This one I like, and I find it very useful, even with personal use and also with content creation. And last, which I'll probably use if I decide to order here in Canada, is the Dior Luxe. Minimum purchase 150 Canadian dollars, and you'll get the pink round pouch. So those are all the promo codes in Canada right now. I know it's not the most exciting ones, but it's better than nothing. So let's move on. We have a promo code for Australia. Minimum purchase 350 Australian dollars. And by the way, I believe whatever is available in Australia is available in New Zealand as well. And the promo code again is FDayGift with a minimum purchase of 350, and you will receive the Sauvage pouch right here. There are also other gift with purchase. If you spend 250, obviously you will not get this pouch, but you will receive a Sauvage EDP with a Sauvage serum sample. If you spend 290, then you'll receive the Sauvage EDP Deluxe set. And if you spend 350 with a promo code, you will get the pouch. And please let me know, for our Dior beauty lover friends in Australia, if this is actually stockable. If you spend 350 and use the promo code, do you get the pouch and also the rest of the other items that we just mentioned? So I am really curious. Please let me know in the comments below. I know I have asked you so many times, but if you see the hype icon, please click it so that this video will be promoted and many more of our Dior Bulls could find it and enjoy the same perks. Alrighty, let's go back to our promo codes. And finally, let's do a quick recap of all the promo codes in the US right now. Like I've mentioned earlier, we have this pink pouch. Again, the size is more like a card case size, 3.5 width and 3 inches height. Miss Dior 26, that's the promo code. Minimum purchase of 200 worth of Miss Dior products. And also we still have the Summer Ice 26 minimum purchase $200, and you'll get the pink pouch with some stickers. Still available. I think better than the previous one. Minimum purchase $175. Promo code is Summer Ice 48. You'll get the silver pouch with 2 deluxe sample, which is the mascara lash primer and the mascara. Now these are the latest promo codes in the masterclass. Minimum purchase $250, promo code back to school 26, and you'll get the white pouch with on-off facial cleanser and 2 sachets of Le Balm. Back to school 48, that's the next promo code. Minimum purchase $200 for a set of, I think these are paper clips. Yes, we've seen these. I think they were in, I'm not very sure, but they might have been last year's summer gift. Not very sure, like I've said, but these are, I believe, metal paper clips. And now let's just do a quick review of the rest of what I call the long-term promo code. We have Magic Q3, and you'll get a Miss Dior Discover set, minimum purchase $130. We also have LCP Cart 26, minimum purchase $150, and you'll get this black pouch. This same black pouch is available using 2 other promo codes, which is Privé Love and also Dior Luxe. Minimum purchase $150. Dior Tips 26, you'll get the silver pouch, minimum purchase $150. Red patent like pouch, Dior Refill 26, that's the promo code, minimum purchase $150. Dior Cart 26, minimum purchase $150, and you'll get the drawstring bucket pouch. And I think one of the best promo code right now is this one. I've showed it to you. It's Dior Bloom, minimum purchase $150, and you'll get the Sauvage pouch. This is probably one of the biggest pouch right now available in the US. And more promo code, we have Welcome You 26, and you'll get the Jador Discover set, minimum purchase $130, and Refresh 26, minimum purchase $150, and you'll get the Sauvage Discover set. So those are the best promo codes you can use right now in the US, Canada, promotion in the UK, and also Europe and Australia and New Zealand. I hope you find this very helpful. Like I've said, I will appreciate it a lot if you could use my affiliate link I have in the comments and also description. And also, if the YouTube shopping is available in your country, you would see some products popping up on the screen, and with your qualified purchase, I will earn a small percentage as a commission, which will support our channel. Stay tuned for my unboxing. Again, it will take a little while, but it will include our next giveaway. Thanks so much again for sticking with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.